Alright, here we go then. You've done all your checks, Kevo?
Aye.
Done all your checks?
Sort of.
Okay, that's good enough for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oi, oi. Oi, oi, what fell off her?
What happened there, Kevo?
I think the battery fell off her. I'm a bit dizzy then.
Bring the camera over, Alex.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Yeah, good landing though.
I've seen better, Kev.
That was perfect. That landed a smack on like a how you jump jet. That was. I think it's a bit tail heavy. That is, I think. I didn't kill nobody. That's it.
No, that's a start, isn't it?
Maybe.
You just didn't plough it in, did you?
No. It was a
Quite graceful, was it?
couple of somersaults and land.
Yeah. Take it didn't mean a somersault then.
Wow. Not really, no. Oi, I didn't land there. Was the battery was there?
Yeah.
Well,
The battery went further away.
See it shoot off that direction there.
Oh dear.
Purple one.
Somebody stay where it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yay, here we are.
Bit
Ready?
more velcro.
Oh, yeah, you've got both sides, Kev. Let's film this. You've got soft.
No,
soft,
turn
and
around,
soft.
turn
Oh, and soft.
Oh right.
Soft.
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 Haha.
Needs to and someone switched it in the north.
Kevels. What were we saying? What were we saying?
What did he
Oh
do?
dear, oh dear.
Did he do that? What did he
In the
do?
Velcro. Well,
Basically wedged in.
yeah.
Nice tight fit though.
Yeah.
Not tight enough.
No,
I'll
not
have to
quite.
work on the tightness.
Yeah, let's go and work on the tightness and have another go. Might be all right.